This is a control panel for Economy Ball Mill, Tollsboro, Kentucky. We regularly build these, but this one's a little bit different. It's got, in auto mode, it works off of two timers. Timer one, they would set the machine RPMs for a certain amount. And timer one, when it times out, automatically stage two timer starts, which is set at a potentially a different RPM. So it allows them to run a cycle of material completely automatic at two different speeds based on time. So just like the other ones, we've got a handoff auto. Like I said, auto works off the timers. Once you're in auto, you can also choose whether you want to run forward or reverse in auto. And you would just hit start, and it would start timer one. And it would run till it expires, and then it would start timer two. And of course, if you wanted to stop it before it times out, you can. It displays, this is a panel pilot display, and it's scaled to the machine RPMs. So you see, if I turn pot one here on top, I can get a maximum of 24 RPMs down to right at 0. I've got a minimum speed set in it at 10 Hertz, which correlates to 3.88 RPMs. So then you can also set stage 2 RPMs by, you push this button, hold it in, and you can adjust the pot. And so again, it would run in stage 1, then automatically switch to stage 2 when stage 1 expires, and run at a different speed, and then at the end of stage 2 it stops. And of course we got a run light here, and we have a top dead center light, which is using a proximity sensor out on the machine to tell you when the top is up for loading. In the manual mode, to position it for top dead center, you can jog forward or backwards. And this one is a little bit unique. It's running off of 230 volt single phase, and we're using a VFD for the conversion to 3-phase. Not that much to it here. There's a little bit of tricky setups in the parameters, and the hardest thing was trying to get everything to time out and overlap correctly so that it would not drop the run signal during the switch over from timer 1 to timer 2. And so we'll start it up. So right now in auto mode, we've got timer 1 set at 14 seconds and timer 2 set at 36 seconds. Timer 1 RPM, we're going to turn it down. Turn it down to 5.75. Okay. So when you switch over, it's going to automatically display the second speed. So run lights on, we're running. We're counting down the timer. So we're at 5.72. So now we kick over to stage 2 timer, and we're running at 23 RPMs. And then of course it'll run all the way down to 0, and it'll stop. The parameters are set up for this. It displays the target RPMs. It's the only way to set it up without doing a whole lot of extra stuff. So you don't really see it coming up to speed and so forth. But you see there, it's stopped. It's automatically reset the timer. Everything stopped. VFD no longer running. And that's about it.